3 years experience in sales marketing with a big emphasis on tech. I started this particular brand or business in late 2020. And prior to that, being self-employed probably 10 years, so contracting. I was contracting for a digital provider in 2020, and a lot of the customers came to me with not very nice stories, right, about other service providers that had not provided what they'd been promised, or that they had, for instance, if it was web development, they just disappeared and had their logins, or they didn't give them their logins, and so they were held to ransom for every little change, or they were promised a logo, a professional bespoke logo, and end up getting a Canva version, and there's things like that. And eventually I just got sick of it, and I said, no, look, there's got to be a better way, right? So I built a collective of entrepreneurs. So I don't actually employ anyone. Everybody that does work for my clients is contracted to me, and I've actually personally worked with them and vetted their work. And I know they're not going to disappear on you from a technical support point of view. So I'm going to jump into the presentation. It basically talks quite in general. Once I'm through with the presentation, I will actually take you through what the platform looks like, how to do different things on Canva, how I store my lead magnets, how I share them, the easiest ways to do that, and a lot of that stuff is, a lot of that stuff is free. So, okay, cool. Let's hop into it. Canva is very easy once you get your head around it. So, let me just share my screen.